amplify, emerging life force. Amplifying breathing. As you begin to get comfortable, move your seat of awareness to your solar plexus. And in your midsection, your solar plexus, imagine a multifaceted, colorful jewel. This is your jewel center. So play with imaging this jewel in your solar plexus. And just begin to breathe from this jewel. Find an equal duration of your inhale and exhale, a balanced breath. Breathing from your jewel center. And inside this jewel, notice magnificence, perhaps healing attributes or abundance. Notice sparkle in this jewel and any other quality that you see within your jewel. And as you inhale, bring the qualities of the jewel into all aspects of your being. And as you exhale, bring the qualities of your jewel into the space around you and the environment all around you. And begin to relax your breath, yet focus on this jewel. Amplifying meditation. As you relax even deeper, move inside and connect with your rainbow of colors. All the subtle energies and colors within. Just use your intuition and imagination and notice which colors come to your mind's eye, inside your heart, or you're guided to. You can scan your body for colors. You can scan the space around you. And just notice which colors arrive. And just welcome them. And listen to the various colors.